Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at the pine wood processing process, from raw logs all the way to the finished product. In America's sustainable forests, skilled loggers carefully select pines, marking the start of a meticulous journey. The journey from the green forest to the finished product begins with majestic moments like these. Precision harvesting begins, transforming pine trees into essential raw material for sturdy homes. Precision felling begins the journey of sustainable timber. The journey begins as freshly harvested pine logs travel from forest to factory. The journey begins as freshly harvested pine logs arrive, ready for transformation. From the forest to the factory, the journey of the logs continues on an automated conveyor system, preparing them for the next stages of processing. Precision machinery quickly strips away the rough bark, revealing the clean wood beneath. The rough, raw wood fades away, leaving behind smooth, clean timber. This is the whitening bath stage for pine logs. Skilled operators meticulously oversee the advanced machinery, ensuring peak performance. Beneath the rough bark lies a perfectly natural beauty. Each smooth, bright wood grain is revealed under the factory lights. The stripped pine logs, now raw material, await their next transformation. A close-up of the debarking process. Pine bark pours out in a steady stream, ready for bagging or further processing. The clean pine wood is now perfectly prepared for its transformation into robust building materials. Precision begins as logs enter the sawmill, guided by skilled American craftsmanship. Within the climate-controlled booth, the head saw operator maintains absolute focus. Laser guides project precise lines, indicating the perfect initial cut on the log. The massive head rig saw positions itself, ready for the critical first cut. With expert precision, the operator initiates the cutting sequence. The first cut begins, releasing fine sawdust and revealing the inner beauty of the pine. The operator carefully monitors the cutting process, ensuring optimal yield and quality. The first large slab is successfully separated, marking the beginning of lumber creation. Precision machinery begins transforming raw pine into essential building materials. Skilled operators ensure each cut is precise, optimizing yield for quality timber. The newly formed cants are carefully sorted for the next stages of processing. Advanced technology and human expertise combine for superior output. The factory is operating at full capacity. The production lines run continuously to ensure a steady supply of raw materials for the entire system. Precision is key as pine cants are carefully guided toward the high-speed gang saw for transformation. From cant to board, the transformation is swift, driven by advanced machinery and expert oversight. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Every cant is transformed, emerging as a foundation for future homes, a testament to American craftsmanship.
Just a couple millimeters to the left on that cant.
Got it. Looks good now.
Within seconds, a single cant becomes multiple planks, a symphony of industrial power at its peak. The resaw area, a hub of precision and power, transforms raw timber into the structural heart of American homes. Freshly milled lumber begins its journey, meticulously sorted by skilled hands. Each board undergoes a thorough visual inspection by skilled workers.
Got
A
it. Sending
rhythmic
it to the
ballet of
reject
human
pile.
precision and automated efficiency defines the sorting line. Automation guides the sorted wood towards its next destination. From above, the entire sorting operation reveals a symphony of movement and precision. Diverse dimensions of lumber are expertly segregated for different construction needs. With practiced speed and precision, workers keep the line moving efficiently.
Watch your back, heavy lift. See that? No.
Got it. Looks solid otherwise.
The continuous flow of high-quality wood symbolizes a relentless pursuit of excellence. Each piece of lumber is meticulously processed, a testament to American craftsmanship. From raw wood to refined material, precision ensures quality for every bit. Skilled American hands carefully inspect each board, ensuring only the highest quality proceeds. Each board finds its place, sorted by quality for diverse construction needs. The meticulous inspection ensures structural integrity and lasting beauty for every piece. Precision and consistency define every stage, building confidence in every plank. The transformation journey is complete, from the misty, weathered forest to clean, perfectly squared finished products. With skilled hands, each plank is carefully positioned, ensuring precise alignment. These vital spacers ensure air circulates evenly, promoting efficient drying. American craftsmanship ensures every stack is built with unwavering dedication. This precise preparation is crucial for quality timber ready for construction.
We use these stickers to maintain a consistent air gap, which is crucial for seasoning the wood.
Once complete, sturdy stacks are moved, awaiting their essential drying. Temperature and pressure are tightly controlled as the wood is placed into the kiln to remove resin and excess moisture. With precise movements, the forklift carefully guides the pine lumber into the industrial drying kiln. The heavy steel door begins its methodical descent, sealing the lumber for the drying process. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The kiln door now fully sealed, ready for the precise drying process to begin. Skilled workers diligently monitor advanced control panels, ensuring precise drying conditions. The immense kiln doors begin to open, signaling the completion of another critical drying cycle. A skilled worker meticulously prepares to inspect the quality of the freshly dried lumber. With practiced hands, the worker selects a piece, demonstrating years of experience. The digital moisture meter is activated, a vital tool for ensuring lumber quality. The meter confirms the lumber's moisture content, meeting rigorous quality specifications. With quality confirmed, the journey of the dried lumber continues towards building homes. Watch as raw pine boards begin their transformation, entering the precision planing mill. Inside, powerful blades reshape each board, revealing its natural beauty. From rough to refined, perfectly smooth pine boards emerge, transformed. undergoes rigorous final inspection, a testament to American quality. Precision grading ensures only the finest timber proceeds, a testament to skilled American craftsmanship. At the grading line, skilled American workers ensure every board meets rigorous quality standards. Each grade reflects the wood's unique characteristics, guiding its destiny in home construction. Every knot tells a story, and American graders are its expert interpreters. Through their diligent work, every piece of pine wood is sorted for its optimal use. From forest to finished material, every step ensures quality, building America's homes. Each grader is a guardian of quality, ensuring every piece of wood meets the highest standard. The grading process, a critical step, ensures every piece of wood contributes to strong, durable homes. Skilled hands prepare each pine board for its final grade, ensuring quality. With practiced precision, the grade mark is applied, certifying quality. This rhythmic action ensures every piece meets rigorous industry standards. Each grade mark represents dedication to premium timber for American homes. Precision and automation guide each piece, forming robust bundles for their next journey. Skilled hands prepare the strapping mechanism, ensuring each bundle is securely bound. Each strap is precisely fused, guaranteeing the integrity and stability of every lumber bundle. With every secure bundle, American craftsmanship prepares pine wood for homes across the nation. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.